This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 7. Right. So, Sajib Kumar Sharma, please log in from only one ID. Yes, you are connecting two things from two devices. Please connect only from one device only. Please log out from another one. Sajib Kumar Sharma.
Yeah, I know because it's my desktop was doesn't have like a speaker. That's why I'm like a connect my desktop and like listening for like a mobile. That's why.
You're showing both the different ID numbers. Name is same, but IDs are different.
No, as my name is Sajid Kumar Sharma, but
All
is
right.
a Gmail.
Okay, we will discuss half time.
Okay,
Okay.
sorry. Okay.
Okay. So we are talking about the sequential data type. In that category, first one, str, string, nothing but string object. So we can create the string object directly with the help of the any variable name. Like you can write like Python string object. If you ask type of A, the result will be class name as class str. And this one is a single line value. You can create it by using either side's double quotes on the right side or single quotes also you can take it. It will work. Same thing. You can also create in this. It is fine. And if you want to create the multi-line string into one variable, like x equals to single quotes are there, na? Triple single quotes. Write your required statements, lines, and again close it. Or triple double quotes also you can take it. A single quotes area, you can take the triple double quotes and write some data, and then after close it with the same thing. And next we covered one more thing. When we use the length function, length of A, we are getting one answer like 6. Number of characters are items. Everything we should call as an item in the given string or given string object. Number of characters are 6. Number of characters are 6 means index will start from, okay. When the number of characters are 6, there are two type of total 4 type of questions or options we have to get. Give me 1 second. It is dancing. Yes. So this is our, I mean, how the data will be stored. A sequential data type. Length function is working means the data will be stored in the memory by using the PVM. As of now, that is unknown concept for us. Unknown concept. So when the length function is working, we need to understand 4 types of things. One of them is what is the index and slicing, and third one is item assignment. Fourth one is mutable or immutable. These 4 questions answers we have to get. In the very first one, if you take the index concept, so to understand the index is nothing but taking one item from the list, only one item from the list, one item from the list. List in the sense a given object simply. Again, list may be it leads to one more data type. So taking or identifying or how to pick up one item. Every character in the scenario, P is a one item, Y is a one item. So there are two types of indexes are available here also. So to understand the indexes, forward index and two types of indexes. Forward index and another one is the backward or reverse index. Reverse index. So this is the one I'm writing here. That is a forward index. Generally starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And another one blue color I am selecting for the reverse indexing. -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, and -1. So red color one is a forward index, positive numbers including 0, and that one is a negative numbers. So if you want to take any one of the character or item, we should call item A of 2. A of 2. First of all, it is a forward index. Positive number is there. Or 0. Positive number or 0. Why? Because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Index number contains 0 plus positive numbers. So A of 2, this result will be H character. H character in the screen. Same way, you can identify the A of -3. A of -3. Nothing but the reverse, backward, or reverse index -3. -3 is nothing but same one only. You are calling in a different way. You are calling in a different way. If you give outside of the range, like here, you will get that an error. Index error. Index error. I and E are capitals here. Error name. Case sensitivities. It is an exception handling names. This is a one future. And here are some tricky bits. We will see some tricky bits. Already we discussed how to print the last element in the forward index. A of length of A -1. Generally length is given to you. Generally length will count from 1. But indexes start from 0. Last element value in the forward direction, length of variable name -1. 6 -1. 6 or 5. What is it? Okay, here index is missing, sir. One second. No,
Yes,
completely this is a it is a mistake. Is there? One second. I will write again. 1, 2, 3, 4. No one is saying about this one. Okay, A of 2. What is the answer? A of 2. What is the answer?
E.
T. That is a T. I think another one is correct. Yes, and this value becomes length of A -1. That answer is n. I mean, indirectly, this value
Yeah.
is 6 -1. It is nothing but A of 5.
the
It is
Y,
nothing but n.
the Y,
Correct?
not the
One more question. Okay, this is okay. If you want to print the first element minus length of A, it's the first character it will print. If from the reverse direction, minus symbol you are using. Okay, what is the answer for this one? First question.
Forward direction.
Okay. Forward. Next.
One.
What is the answer?
Wise.
is reversal.
You are thinking why is equal to? You are
The
thinking why is the
reverse
answer?
direction.
Right. Just let's do the same thing here. First, we'll see the loaded elements. A equals to Python A of length of A, that is the 6 characters. If you want to print the last element, length of A minus 1. Now the question is true, forward direction, it is Y. Even any mathematical expression they can provide it. Next, true means 1. True means 1. Index number 3. P is index number 0, 1, Y, T2, H3. And this is the first feature we can identify from the statement. And one more feature also there, slicing. Second feature is a slicing. So this is easy to, we can easily understand, but some tricky bits also there here. Now come to the second one, slicing. In the slicing area, also we have a two options. Slicing area also we have a two options are there. The two options we will say. Slicing is nothing but printing piece of the object. Slicing means printing the piece of the object. The syntax is, yes, Python prompt variable name, yeah, two colons are required. Two colons are required. So in the two colons, the variable name, the first one is a start point, next one is a stop point or end point also you can call, or stop, any one of them fine. Generally we will call stop or you can call end, and step. These three are optional. These three are optional. Even if you are not providing any value also it will work. So by default is a forward direction. Forward direction. First point, forward direction. Start is default value if you are not providing the default value is 0. End value if you are not providing length of VA, length of variable name. VA means variable name. And note here very important point. End value will be excluded. Excluded. End minus 1 will be added. If you are providing 6, for example, in end area, 6 will not come. 6 minus 1 will come. 6 minus 1 nothing but 5 will come. 5 will come. End minus 1 will be come to that one. So this is an important point. Even in the range data type also same. Step by default it is a 1. Nothing but plus 1. No symbol means plus 1. It's a by default it is a forward direction. By default it is a forward direction. By default it is a forward direction. Even if you are not providing any value also, it will work. Like A equals to, just write it for, sorry, you can write in this way. See, come back. A colon 4.
Sir, sorry for interrupt. It's not take minus value, sir.
I'm coming to that point. So today is that one. As
Okay.
of now, by default, this is the forward direction. Okay. Step is nothing but from starting point. For example, I'm writing A 2 and ending 6, jump 1 1. Start from a 2. Start from 2. I mean index number 2. Index number only. All these are the index number 0, 1, 2. Start from T. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 6 is there. 6 not will come. 6 minus 1. What is the 6 minus 1? Fifth index. Up to fifth index it will take. I mean here. THON. But how to print it? Step 1. First to print plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. This is the result we will get when we run. Good. Everything is correct. Okay.
Naga, here
Even
one doubt.
yes, sir.
Naga, if you give start value as greater than the end value, then we are getting an empty string. Can you explain that?
Definitely, sir. I will come to that. Question also same thing. I will come to that one. Next to point to that one only. Wait. So if I'm providing 2 6, I'm not providing any value. Default will come. If you are not providing anything, default will come. Default one. If I'm providing 3 or 2, see P from P plus 2 character, O2 plus 2 character. There is no characters. TO2 is printing. TO2 is printing. If I'm using 3 plus T2 plus 3 character, right? So here now some tricky bits. If I'm not providing anything, if I'm using this one, this is a forward direction. Some rules are there. Even if I'm providing 200 index, step number one, what is your expected error name? Index number, jump number is one only.
Index
Step
errors. Index errors.
Out of bounds.
index error,
And out of range.
empty string, no error like a index concept. Index is a pick up a single character. It is simply saying that you are taking a single character. One more scenario. So we can expect here error but not error. One more scenario. I am taking index number 4 to 4 means index number 4 means P is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. And 4 to 60 I am writing 1. What is the answer? I mean 60 means what is the 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only on and remaining 58 spaces are only ON on or error. Definitely one of them. Total 4 to 60. Only on remaining characters are 60. Why? Because 60 will be excluded. 59 will come. But 59 is not there. What is your expected output?
It should be error.
Should be only
Only on.
more 2 characters. Even if you are providing out of the range, how much of which area it is taking, which area we have, that elements only. It is 2 characters only it is printing. Even you can ask the same thing. What is the length of these result characters? Just put inside of the bracket. So just 2 characters. In the slicing, if you provide out of the range, there is no error in any data type. And one more thing, your A and length of A, I am providing A like 5 to 3, 1 I am using. What is your expected answer? First of all, it's the forward index. Forward index means your statement output will print in this way. Start from left, go to the right side. Character number 5, index number 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. And this direction, n to this direction. After 5, I mean 3 means 3 minus 1, 2. Is there any characters in this way?
No.
Forward direction. What is your expected answer?
Empty string.
N.
Empty string. Now we will see some hidden secrets. These hidden secrets we are going to see. Now, for example, where A equals to, just to concentrate 10 minutes, that's all. This is for today's session. Positive and negative we will see. Right. So you are writing A, start and end and step. This is the first point we are writing. So if you are not providing anything, I mean if it is empty, or else if you are writing 1 or 2, nothing but plus 1 plus 2. Even if you write the plus symbol also, there is no problem. You will get the same result only. Right? 3 to 5. plus 1. 5 will be excluded. 3 to 4. 3 to 4. H4 is printing. Plus symbol. Plus is a forward direction. Nothing means you are not writing any symbol. Only number only writing, that is a forward symbol. So print from left to right only. Calculation also left to right only. But the condition is start number always less than, start number always less than to the end number, end number in the forward direction. Then only you will get that output. Otherwise, empty string will come. And one more rule, end will be not included, end minus 1 will be included. Why you are taking minus 1? Why you are taking minus 1? It is a forward direction where quite opposite you have to take minus 1.
That index
I
start
mean,
from to take the -1 as a
ending with that. You are generally, for example, I am providing in the same scenario, I am writing A 2 5 2 I am writing. This is my target. What is that second element where it is starting? Number 2 means
T
starting at T, right? Ending at 5 minus 1. End minus 1.
4
End
is a 4.
minus 4. There. How to printing? First print to T, then after plus 2 from here.
Oh, it's proving.
So when the positive index, you have to do the minus 1. Here any number, any step number. Sir, here 2 is there, I should subtract 2. No, any index number, any step number. Even if you are writing 3 also no problem. But minus 1, that is a minus 1 will be added. This is the only official document having even in the Python also. Let's see the same example, are we right? A of 252, right? 252. Correct one? Okay. If the now condition is correct, start number is less than two big end number. Start number is less small number or not comparing with the end number. One
Yes.
second, sir. Just wait 1 second. Okay. Thank you. When the range is available between that one, any one of them is available. 2 is less than 2, 5, and it's a number by you we seeing this number, it's a forward direction. So we have to subtract minus 1. For example, one more thing, z equals to Python scripting. If I am giving in this way, possible or not, first of all. Okay, first by seeing this one, which direction output?
Forward direction.
Forward direction, forward direction, forward direction. Okay, I will give it inside of the limit. Outside of the limit, just it will print the result, no doubt. Okay. So end number, okay, starting index is 4, end index is
10.
10 minus 1, 10
While
minus 6. Why you are taking minus 1? It's a forward direction. That's why you have to take the, this is the way we have to follow. And one more thing, start value is less than to end. I mean, start should be small, end should be big, comparing with small number. So then only you will get that answer, sir. Then only you will get that. This is a forward direction. Easily we can understand. But one more element is there, reverse direction also there. Reverse direction also there. For that we have to do the, we have to take the proper clarity. So this is easy. You can easily understand. I'm only saying that one. You can easily get that forward direction. Only one rule. One rule. So these are condition is not available in the PEP8 document also. Python enhanced proposal documents also. This logic is not there. Python generally relate their syntaxes features with PEP, Python enhanced proposals. This feature is not there. Not there means they're not defined. Okay, one more thing, if I'm writing in this way, for example, same variable name, let me do one thing. Z equals to Python scripting length of z, total 16 characters, so index will start from 0 to 50. I'm writing, otherwise you can take these existing ones, and maybe unnecessarily I'm creating one more confusion to you. Okay, this is the exact one. And if I'm not writing anything, if I'm writing negative number, I mean, here it is a start, uh, end step is there. Generally, if I'm writing any negative number, for example, -1, I'm writing. -1 is I'm writing. So it is a reverse process. Reverse process. You can maintain the same name, start and end. Reverse process. So here the condition is even these two are optional. Two are optional. Even three are optional. But if you give this one also empty, forward direction. By default, it is a forward direction. By default, it is a forward direction. Now I'm talking here. The condition is start value is there now. Always should be greater than to end. Then only it will print the reverse order. How you're writing Python, the reverse order it will print this way. P Y P. This way it will print. This way it will print. Reverse order completely. Okay. Definitely at this point now you have some confusion. Right. I'm writing in this way. Z starts from -1, ends with -7, and step is a -1. First, try to understand what is this -1. -1. Any number you can take it here.
And it will
One
take
And
example,
the
maybe you can take in this way.
one.
5, 0, -1. You can take any positive, but this symbol is important here. This symbol is important. You can take any number. Okay, it is a reverse direction. So first condition, starting number 5 is greater than to the end number. Yes, it will print some result. If you see here, start value less than in the forward direction. Now here it is a greater than. See, first of all, will it work? A of 5, 0, 5, 0, not 0, 5, 5, 0, -1. See the output? See the output? See the output? Something which is printing. How it is printing? Now we will calculate this one. Some output is there. First of all, some output is there. This is output. How it is printing? So what is the end value? End value, what is index number? Okay, starting index number is 5. From here it will start. N, like in this way it will print. First N, next to O, next to H, next to T, next to Y, next to P. In this way it will print. What is the target here? End here will be excluded. I mean, you are doing -1 in the forward direction. When you come to the reverse direction, we have to do the quite opposite operation. Got the point? What is the end index number? Okay, start at index number 5. End index on the question 0 is there. 0 is there. What should we do? What should we do? In the question, in this question 5 starting index n, end index 0 is there. If it is a forward direction, you can do the -1, but it's a reverse direction or backward direction. You have to do the opposite operation, reverse direction. +1. Any step number, any step number, you have to do the +1. 0 plus 1 is a 1. What is the index number 1 value? Reverse direction NO, T, H, T, Y. Acceptable this output? Acceptable? See this one on the screen? Okay. One more example. Don't worry. Wait. Then after you can impose your questions here. Reverse index only the confusion one. Here only you have to concentrate, sir. So to understand this one more example I am going to give that like Python scripting. This is the one. Randomly I will write here. Just simple I will complete. Because this is important image. Is also one of the elements. Space number is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. So total length of jet, let's test it, 16 characters. What is the jet? Python script. It's the forward direction only we are printing on the screen. Just the forward direction values only we have. Now reverse one also I will write. Wait, only 1 minute it will take. So here I am starting minus 16. Hold on. Wait. Unmute from your end. Minus 14. T is minus 14. And H is why you are unmuting? Mukesh Chandra Melkani. Sir, why you are unmuting? Mukesh.
Sorry.
Please, again, so many people will follow the recording, sir. That is the plan. There is no other thing. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's also just closely observe. Here some numbers are in this way is there. But if I'm writing generally, Z of 5, 10, I'm writing 2. Simply, what is the start? What is the direction? First question, direction.
Forward.
Forward. Direction is a forward. Starting index, value number.
Five.
What is the character?
N.
Yeah. Forward index means condition is start number should be less than to end number. Satisfying the condition? 5 is smaller than 10. And what is the end number? End index?
R. N.
10 minus 2 or 10 minus 1?
Sorry. 10.
One, one.
N minus
10,
1
1.
is 1.
1 only, always 1 only. Any step number. Forward means you can do 1 only. It is nothing but 9. 9 means
R.
R. R. So N2R. How you are printing N2R? Step 1, step number 2. First print N. Then from there second character. Yes. From their second character. Is it correct one? Is it correct one? Step number 5. From 5 to
Yes,
7 to 9.
7, 9.
Let's do the same thing here. That 5, 10, 2. Acceptable? Okay. One more question. I'm not going to the negative index number at this point. Wait, I will give one more example to understand the negative index. Here I'm moving complicated example. I'm writing in this way, like minus 11, minus 11. So these above all are minus symbols. Please remember. Otherwise, 1 second. Minus 9, minus 8. All these are the negative numbers. 1 second. Just to give me 1 second, I will complete this part. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. One more question. Right. Which direction? And will it work or not? Right, because get the total index value 0 to 15.
No.
0 to 15. Will it? Okay. What is the first question? Direction name?
Forward.
Forward.
Reverse.
Forward. Okay. Forward means this way it will print. This way it will print. In this way it will print. Character in this way it will print. How we will write in the will it work or not if index is inside of the limit? Will it print? What is the condition? Start number should be less than, smaller than end number. Start number is 8, here minus 2. This is a big question in the mathematics. See, 8, small 8 is a smaller than small 2 or not?
Wrong. No case. It's a wrong case.
My question is small, what is that? Minus 8, minus
Minus 2 is
8.
greater than
Minus 8 is a small.
Yes.
See, somewhere we have a line number 1, 2, positive numbers on the right side of the 0.
Minus 2 is greater, yes. It will
Small 2, minus 2, some. So if you take any number 2, here 8. Minus 8 is the left side of minus 2. Definitely minus 8 is a small number. Minus 8 means we are borrow 8 rupees. Minus 2 is we are borrow 2 rupees. Small. See, this is a very less borrow. Small 8 is a smaller number than minus 2. Minus 8 is a smaller than 0. If you take minus 8 to minus 7, which number is big number?
Minus 7.
minus
Minus
7.
minus
7.
7.
Minus 7 only. Sir, here only we will get the confusion. If I give 7 to 8, you will give the direct answer, which is a big number means 8.
8.
But if the negative symbol is there, if numbers having negative symbol, smaller number is big with negative symbol. So big number with minus symbol is a smaller. That is the difference. Definitely it will work. What is the end index number? Okay. Start at minus 8. End minus 2 is there. But what is the end will be excluded in the forward direction. What should I do?
Minus 1.
Plus 1.
Minus 1. Forward direction. Sir.
Minus 2, minus 1.
Minus 1 only. Forward direction always minus 1 only. Forward direction always minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. What is the result? Minus 3 or?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. So 8 to 3 it will print. 8 to 3. What is step number 1? Starts from 8. Starts from 8 here up to 3. 3. This way only. Forward direction only. Real correct? Let's see. Z of minus 8 minus 2 1. Correct? Question is correct here and there. 8 minus 2 1. Correct or not? CRIPTI. Correct or not output? Is it clear?
Yes.
If I give negative numbers also. Right. Now come to the negative number pointer. Sir, this document is not there in the Python official also. Official document also, this approach is not there. Next one, sir. Now I am talking about the reverse direction. Sir, if it's a forward direction, always you have to do minus 1, any number. If it is a forward direction with any step, here 1 or 2 or 3, that is not a matter. Forward direction. This is a minus 1. Your step number is 2 or 3, not a matter. Minus 1 of the end. That will be included. Okay. If I come to the reverse one, same question, data, variable name Z, I'm writing, it will print like reverse printing. I mean, how if you write something, if you see in the mirror, how the output is mirror. If you see the writing words in the mirror, how that output will come same way. Right to left it will print. Right to left it will print. Start end any number, but with a minus option is there. Minus option. If you are not giving anything, that is a plus 1. Plus 1. Okay, now minus, sir. So the condition only one thing, sir. Start number should be greater than end. This is a 1. Start there is no, and end will be end plus 1. You have to do plus 1. Plus 1. Any index number. Okay. Now first I'm giving a question. Z. Right. We will take one number. Starting number minus 2 or I'm taking 13. Taking 9 minus 2. First, what is the direction? Question number 1. What is the direction? Reverse.
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 Starting index.
I.
Minus minus
13.
13.
13 is nothing but small I. Correct? 13 is nothing but small I. Acceptable, or is there any confusion?
No, no confusion.
Yes. End.
E. E.
Even value will be
Ten.
always
9 plus 1. 9 plus 1.
plus 1, sir. Here generally, if it's a forward, you can take it plus. Sorry, minus, but it is a reverse direction. 10. What is a 10 number?
I.
10 also I only, na?
Yes.
10 also I.
Yes.
I. Both are I only. 13 is I. Here also that is I. Okay, good.
Yes. Both are. Yes.
But in
Both are.
different place.
I will do one thing. I will take 7. 7 means 7 plus 1. 8. What is the answer? 8.
C.
8 is a
C.
C.
8 is small c. Small c. How it will print? It will print I, T,
Reverse.
P,
Reverse.
I, R, C. But how you are printing step number is how much? Start
Minus
into
2.
I.
Minus 2.
Just minus for direction purpose only. Like
Okay.
2. First into I, then
P.
step plus 2,
P.
then plus 2. R.
R. R.
That's all. There is no other thing. Correct? I, P, R. Acceptable this one? Plus 2. I mean 2 steps. 2 steps. In this output, 2 steps. Is it correct, sir? Everything is correct? We will see on the
Yes.
screen.
Yes.
Z 13, 7 minus 2. If you write 1, you this is the first output with 1. But see, reverse order it is printing. Sir, here also little bit small, easiest approach. This is also easiest one. Again, we will work with the negative numbers. Okay, fine. If you are able to understand this one, really it is good. One more example. Z 3, otherwise minus 10, minus 15, otherwise minus 15 is there, not there. Minus 8 and minus 4, minus 1. Which direction? First question.
Reverse.
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 And condition, start number is greater than big number. Minus 8 is a bigger than minus 4.
Minus 4. Plus 1. Plus 1.
No, my question is minus 8 is a big number than minus 4. Minus 8 is big number.
No.
No.
Minus
No.
4 is big. 4 is big. Big.
No, simply you will get the empty output. Really, is it empty output? Minus 8, minus 4, minus 1. Acceptable or not? Empty. Okay. Now the same question again I'm changing. Again I'm changing 4 minus 8. Just I'm changing the, otherwise you can take 10, sir, no problem. Just understanding purpose. Right. Okay. So direction, reverse. Minus 4 is bigger than minus 10.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Start index is minus 4, nothing but T.
T.
End index is minus 10, but it will be excluded. Plus 1. Nothing but
9. 9.
minus 9.
Minus
What is
2.
the
Minus
minus 9 value?
S. S.
Capital S. Capital S. So start from T, T, P, I, R, C, S. What is the step number? Step number?
One.
Step
One.
number? One only.
1.
Minus
1.
1 only. I mean, as it is, it will print. There is no minus symbol just for order only. I mean, which direction? Minus 4, minus 10, minus 1. Correct? P, P, I, R, C, S. Correct? Right. One more thing. Tricky bit. Tricky bit. Z colon colon minus 1 I am writing. If I am writing minus 1, what is the output we are expecting here? Minus 1 means definitely it's a reverse direction. Reverse direction. What it will be friend?
Complete
I'm not
Different
saying
backward.
complete string to string it is a reverse. Complete
Yes.
string to string it is a reverse. Complete string to string it is a reverse. So the default values of length of your Z, length of your Z, for example here, sorry, here minus 1, length of Z. These are the default values. Try to understand. This is not available, sir. Again, I'm saying that one. This approach anywhere not available. You can identify this reverse index. If I'm writing the minus 1, is it working? Working. Completely reverse of the virtual string or not? If I'm writing, what is the output? Length of Z minus 1. Sorry, here it is a minus 1. Minus 1 only. Start from here. And sorry, here minus symbol is missing. Correct or not? Correct
Yes,
or not?
yes.
One second. Complete string is came, sir. This is a complete string. So here remember this one. What are the default values in the minus way? Here start one is if you are giving, it will print the total string in the reverse order. Total string in the reverse order. Total string in the reverse order acceptable. But one more important point, what is the, if I write only minus 1, what is the default start number and default end number? Default end number having minus symbol, this is a 1.
That should be plus one right now.
Originally again plus 1 only. Plus 1 is nothing but after this one, plus 1. Length of Z minus 1. It is a reverse direction means we have to add the plus 1. This both will be cancelled.
Okay.
Both will be cancelled. Finally, you will get the length of Z only. But how to represent on the screen? That is the point. Okay, end of the day, that is the length of Z only. So it's a reverse direction means it should add plus 1 or not, this area. Adding plus 1 or not here. Reverse direction means adding plus 1. Am I right?
Yes.
Adding plus 1 or not reverse direction. So, yes, you are correct. Minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. Finally, out length of Z only. Before of that one only I written length of Z only. But what is the default values? Sir, if I ask a question in this way, you can happily give that answer. Plus 1 if I write, or if I leave it empty, or if I write with my plus 1, you will give that answer. Starting number is 0, ending number is length of A. Length of A or variable name, length of Z. Starting number. The starting number, ending number, you can give it directly. If I'm leaving as a empty, we can give that answer. In the both the scenarios, same only. It's a start and it is a end default one. But this is a different bit. If I give in this way, correct. Start is nothing but minus 1, end is nothing but length of Z minus 1. But symbol is negative. Is it clear about this one, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Practice some exercise on this one. You will get for the session day 2 assignment today. You will get the day 2 assignment on this topic. Very different concept. I'm not saying, this training is very big or not like, but these explanation not available in Python documentation also. This explanation is not there. Python enhanced proposals. So these are the tricky bits, reverse and only generally anywhere in the world you can search it. Forward direction only they will follow. Forward direction. In the forward direction only again positive number, but we are taking here forward direction with the negative number, reverse direction with the positive numbers, reverse direction with the negative numbers. All scenarios we are covering. Okay, this is finally we can say slicing is possible. We are printing. This feature is good. Then remaining two we will see in the next session, and then after I will explain tomorrow only. I will start the range data type also. The remaining will take half an hour. We will see. And small information, please note down. This Thursday and Friday there is no session, sir. I mean, anyhow, Saturday, Sunday also we don't have any session. Thursday, Friday, however, so this missing session I will cover in upcoming Saturdays. This Thursday, Friday we don't have any session, but definitely these 2 days I will cover on upcoming Saturdays, not this Saturday. So tomorrow is the last session. Again, we have a Monday only, but the missing session definitely I will cover on Saturdays. Thank you. I will stop here. We will meet tomorrow, and I will share to you assignment related to exclusively slicing options. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Thank
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please.
Can we say like that? Range is like
No, no, no. I will sequential data, sir, to printing the numbers only for numbers only. I will explain. This is tomorrow topic. I will explain. Just to
okay.
take care about the
Okay.
second one only, sir. First one is yesterday, today is this one. Thank you.